person who is easily distracted and you don't know how to account for your time in a day, this video is for you. This video will help you to manage your time very well, very effectively as a beginner. This video will help you to know how to go about what you want to do in a day and how to, at the end of the day, mark your progress and know how much you've been able to impact your world, even using your time effectively. If that person is you, let's get right into the video. So yeah, you're welcome to this channel. My name is Emily and this is You Can Be Productive. So the first thing to do is to have a plan. Without having a plan, it will be so hard for you to manage your time, because first of all, you have so many things you want to do in a day. So if when you don't have them in a plan, when you don't have them written out, you won't be able to, you won't have the um power, you won't have the ability to remember them all. That's the first thing. And the next thing is you won't be able to know which should be done today and which should be scheduled for later. First of all, maybe you have a plan, you've written out your to-do list for the day, and you realize that, oh, I have about 15 things on my to-do list. And to be sincere, 15 things is so much for you to do in a day. You have to know that if you want to manage your time effectively, you can't do everything in a day. That's the truth. You can't do everything in a day. So you have to prioritize. That's the next point. You have to prioritize. You have to prioritize everything you put in your list. Yeah. For example, maybe you want to write, you want to read, you want to go out with your friends. You have to prioritize them. Then you have to pick out which is important, which is urgent. For example, maybe five are urgent and important, then you have to do those fives right away. You have to, schedule them to do them right away. And if you have some that are important but not urgent, right? Then that means you have to schedule them for later. I hope you're getting it. Then if they are not important but they are urgent, then you have, and those ones, those tasks that fall into this category, they are ones that you don't have to really do them yourself, but someone else can do them for you. It's just for you to get them done. So you can delegate this part of your list to someone who can do it for you. And when you get someone to do this for you, it will save you time to spend on things that are important and are urgent, right? And things that fall into the category of not urgent, not important, those things do not require you to spend your time on them. Keep them out of your list, because they are not adding anything to your life. They're not going to if you don't do them, nothing will happen to you. If you actually do them, you're wasting your time, you're not managing your time effectively. And let me tell you something, the truth is, you must have been doing those things that are not even important and are not urgent, all of this well without you knowing. But now that you have the knowledge, you know what to do. You know how to manage your time by kicking those things out of your list, right? If you are enjoying this video so far, kindly like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to this channel, right? So we'll move to the next thing, which is to take away distractions out of your environment. For you to manage your time, after you must have had a plan, prioritize your list of things you want to do, you have to take away distractions out of your way, out of your environment. You have to know that there are some things called time wasters, things that are like social media, your phone, notifications. All these things are always trying to steal your time, but because you know them, you have to know how to stand against them and make sure they don't steal your time. And how do you do this? Take away your phone for the time you're working on your important and urgent tasks. Take away your phone from where you can easily see them, to be able to use them and make you, and that in a way will cause you to be distracted and waste your time. Hey guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, kindly like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to this channel for other tips about productivity, other things that can help you to live a better life, right? So that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, I know you will enjoy this one over here. See you in the next video.